Everyday carry or EDC gadgets are essential tools and accessories that people carry with them on a daily basis to make their lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. But with countless EDC gadgets available on the market, which ones are truly worth buying? Stay tuned as we showcase the 10 EDC gear and gadgets you must have in your arsenal. First up, let's talk about the GeoGrit Wallet, your ticket to streamlined, organized, and secure everyday carry. With this wallet's unique vertical design and a palette of 5 striking colors, it's more than just a fashion statement. Crafted from robust 6061 aluminum, it's built to endure whatever life throws your way, even if it's a heart-stopping drop or a crushing weight. And here's the kicker. It's armed with RFID blocking technology, shielding your cards from potential thieves. With space for up to 12 cards and a choice between a silicone-lined cash strap or an ultra-strong spring steel money clip, this wallet isn't just stylish, it's a functional masterpiece. Stay hydrated in style with the slim Memobottle, a premium water bottle designed for the modern adventurer. With its 15-ounce capacity, it's elegant and practical, constructed from durable BPA-free Triton plastic. Plus, it's dishwasher, hot water, and freezer safe. But here's the twist. For every bottle sold, you're providing 5 months of clean water to someone in need through a partnership with water.org. Talk about making a difference while staying stylish. Its slender design fits seamlessly into your handbag, backpack, laptop bag, or even your pocket, a true game changer. The Auskang 5000 mAh portable charger is a slim, compact, and pocket-sized power bank suitable for all types of devices. It features a 2A current output for charging and data transfer simultaneously with its built-in Type-C cable. This compact design allows you to carry it anywhere. Measuring just 66 by 123 by 6 millimeters and weighing 115 grams, it's lighter and smaller than comparable power banks on the market. Inside the box, you'll find the 5000 mAh portable charger with a built-in data cable, an additional Type-C cable, and a user manual. It also comes with a 1-year quality guarantee and professional safety certifications, ensuring your peace of mind. This portable power bank makes an ideal gift for both men and women on various occasions, including birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, graduations, Christmas, New Year, Thanksgiving, and more. Sick of lugging around bulky flashlights? Meet the Wuben X0 Easy Carry Light, your tiny but mighty EDC flashlight. It's your reliable portable light source on the go, boasting a whopping 1,100 lumens, which is 40 times brighter than your smartphone's flashlight. But that's not all. Its magnetic tail cap lets you go hands-free by sticking it to any metal surface. And don't get us started on its 3-in-1 button that doubles as a stress relief toy. Waterproof and dust-resistant, this flashlight is your ultimate companion for any adventure. For a versatile and handy tool that can fit in your pocket, look no further than the WiseGuy Pocket Tool V2. This amazing gadget can do so many things for you, from opening bottles and cans to cutting wires and ropes to breaking glass in case of emergency. The WiseGuy Pocket Tool V2 is made of durable stainless steel and has a sleek design that won't weigh you down. You'll love having this tool with you wherever you go, whether it's camping, hiking, traveling, or just everyday life. The KeyBar is a smart and stylish way to organize your keys and other accessories in one compact device. It is made of solid titanium, which is lightweight, rugged, and durable, with a classic and simple stonewash finish for a rugged look. The KeyBar can hold up to 12 keys and inserts with the included screws, or up to 28 keys and inserts with extension screws. It also comes with a titanium pocket clip and a key fob link for easy carrying. The KeyBar can be customized with various add-ons, such as a multifunctional tool insert, a utility tool, a pick, a quick key tab, and more. It is designed to help you get organized and eliminate the noise of jingling keys. If you're looking for a versatile and compact tool that can handle any task, look no further than the Leatherman Micra. This amazing device has 10 tools in one, including scissors, a knife, tweezers, a nail file, a ruler, a bottle opener, and more. The Leatherman Micra is perfect for everyday use, whether you need to cut a thread, open a package, trim your nails, or measure something. You can easily carry it in your pocket, purse, backpack, or on your keychain. The Leatherman Micra is made of durable stainless steel and comes with a 25-year warranty. It's the ultimate tool for anyone who loves to be prepared for anything. Oh, Buddie is more than just a power bank. It's a smart and modular device that lets you customize your power needs with snap and swap tools. Whether you need a fast-charging PD 20-watt feature, a bright camping light, or any other tool, you can simply attach it to this compact EDC gadget and enjoy its benefits. Buddie is designed for the great outdoors, traveling, and emergencies, where you need a reliable and versatile power source that can adapt to different situations. Furthermore, you can swap out the battery for a new one when it runs low, extending its usage time and lifespan. Buddie is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry around, making it the ultimate power bank for your adventure. Now here's the Patagonia Ultralight Black Hole. This mini hit pack is made with 100% recycled materials and boasts a 1-liter capacity, sufficient for your phone, wallet, keys, and more. It features 2 zippered pockets for extra security and organization. The best part? It can fold into its own pocket when not in use, making it easy to store and carry. Furthermore, the waist belt is soft and adjustable, allowing you to wear it around your waist or across your body. In short, the Patagonia Ultralight Black Hole is the perfect companion for your adventure. It's lightweight, durable, versatile, and eco-friendly. What more could you ask for? Now meet Koroal, the ultimate multifunctional EDC tool pen that has everything you need in one sleek design. Koroal is not just a pen. It's also a pencil, a multi-tool, an emergency breaker, a flashlight, a personal alarm, a compass, as well as a rechargeable battery. Whether you need to jot down notes, fix something, break a window, light up the dark, alert others, find your way, or power up your devices, Koroal has got you covered. This gadget is made from durable, air-grade aluminum alloy with a stainless steel pen clip. All in all, it's the perfect EDC gadget for your everyday convenience and safety. So that concludes our list of the top 10 must-have EDC gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you find this video helpful.